In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video in Microsoft PowerPoint, a handy feature for enhancing presentations with clarity and emphasis. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you're well equipped to express your content creatively and effectively. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Look for its icon in your applications or type PowerPoint into your search bar. Click to launch the program. Once open, move on to your PowerPoint presentation, the one that you're currently working on or where you'd like to add text to a video. When you have your presentation in view, navigate to the slide that contains the video you want to add text to. It's important to ensure you're on the correct slide, as this is where we'll be doing all our adjustments. Next, we'll make our way to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. This tab is your gateway to adding a variety of elements into your slides, such as text, images, videos, and much more. Click on it and you'll see a range of options unfold. Now we'll specifically choose to add a text box. Look for the text box option within the Insert tab menu. Once you find it, select it. The text box feature allows you to input any text you'd like into your slide, offering flexibility in size, style, and positioning. With the text box tool selected, click anywhere on your slide to draw out a box. Once you have your box, you can simply type your text inside. This could be anything from a simple label to a more detailed description, depending on what your video content requires. Remember, this text will serve as either a highlight or a guide for your audience, so make it clear and concise. After typing your text, you'll likely want to ensure that it's well aligned with your video for maximum impact. You can click and drag your text box to reposition it so that it fits nicely over the video or complements it visually. Align it just right to make sure it doesn't obscure important parts of your video, yet remains visible, and just like that, you have successfully added text to your video in PowerPoint. This feature not only enriches your presentations by providing key points or captions directly over your video, but also helps your audience grasp the message more effectively. Whether you're delivering a professional presentation or a creative project, adding text to your video in PowerPoint is a powerful way to ensure your message is clear and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this technique useful in your next PowerPoint adventure.